last one.
What colour is ours?
Red, I think. Red. Woo! Angie! Hey! It's going fast already. Yeah. Oh! Woohoo!
What you do?
Oh! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Woohoo! Hey, Andrew! Woohoo! You were right about the spinning. Yeah.
You already know?
I'm brilliant. I'm just chilling.
Yeah. You were right about the lot of spinning.
It's never stopped.
Yeah.
It's never stopped, is it?
It's not.
It's because he's still swearing.
The fun part is walking in a straight line when you get off. Who's going to face plant down the stairs first?
Wait, what?
I saw that lunch one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I love that one.
Oh no. Down, down, down.
Roy's got skills to pay the bills.
That's awesome. I couldn't do that.
I can move my feet into the jacket, Michael.
Yeah.
I can feel that area.
Oh yeah.
Here he comes again.
Hey.
He came back for round 2.
Hands in the air. Up in the air. Woo! That was brilliant.
My head.
I'm a bit dizzy, I have to say.
Yeah. That's what waltzers do.